Let's continue with the part 2. Paragraph 6. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Explanation of paragraph 6. Tommy told Margie that old school was not like our school because Margie has no more knowledge about old school. So Tommy said, those were different. They had kept the teacher. It was not a mechanical teacher, it was a man teacher. Paragraph 7th. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know how much. Margie, the teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building, and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. Explanation of paragraph 7th. Margie did not know more about the old school. So she said, how a man can enough smart than a machine. So Tommy told her that men taught the children and asked the questions to the students. She did not like. So Marky said she did not like a man teacher to come her house and to teach her. So Tommy laughed and said, children used to go to a special building called school. That means teacher did not come at the home to teach anyone. But children used to go to a special building called school. They learned same things. Paragraph 8th. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kind has to be taught differently. Just the same they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book? Some more with you after school. Explanation of paragraph 8th. In this paragraph, Margie told Tommy about mechanical teacher and says that her mother told her that machine gives the work according to the student's level. That means student's brain level. They had to do separately it. They could not help to each other. Just then, her mother, that means Margie's mother, called her for study, that means called her his school. But she wanted read the book, printed book, old book, after her study. Paragraph 9th. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away, whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day, except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Explanation of paragraph 9th. After calling her mother, Margie went to her school. It was a room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher was waiting her to teach her. Margie studies daily same time except Saturday and Sunday. So now computer screen turned on and mechanical teacher, that means Margie's mechanical teacher, said it was arithmetic class today. Paragraph 10th. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools. They had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another on the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we added fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Explanation of paragraph 10th. Her mechanical teacher was teaching her because Margie was his virtual classroom. So her mechanical teacher was teaching her. But she was thinking about old school. She was not taking interest in her study. She was thinking about old school. When her grandfather used to go to school, all children used to go to together, eat together, and help to each other in homework. But Margie was thinking that her life was very boring because she has to study alone. There is no fun in classroom like old schools. But now she was thinking about children of the past who went to school and enjoyed study. Part 2 finished. Learn happily. Good luck, students.